Mom, can I have some cash? Why? What do you need it for? We don't have a budget for that. These are some words you can almost hear every day in an Asian household. You want to buy something, but you don't have enough money, or it's hard to ask for money from your parents. Today's video is for you. Welcome to Financial Intellect, where we help each other become finance savvy. Before we go through the ways where we can make money, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we post new videos. Let's get started! Number 1. Resell preloved items. When your closets are full, when you have clothes that you don't wear anymore, or your children have outgrown their items and you need some additional income to refresh your wardrobe, there's a solution. Sell your clothes and accessories online. There's a saying that goes, "One man's old stuff is another man's treasure." You can start decluttering your things and find items that are good as new or items that are old but still good to use. You also have to consider your time because selling stuff takes time. You have to research for platforms that you can use to sell. There are a wide range of options for selling your items thanks to the internet. You can sell items on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, your local Facebook group, Craigslist, or conduct a traditional garage sale. You don't have to be a businesswoman or businessman to do this. You don't have to be a college graduate to be able to do this. If you are below 18 years old, you can ask assistance from your parents. Next, what if you could generate money at any time, from anywhere, even while you're sleeping? Instead of struggling with waking up and driving to heavy traffic just to make a few bucks, here is another way. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. The concept of affiliate marketing drives sales and generates significant online revenue. But what is affiliate marketing, you ask? This is when someone gets paid by promoting the items of another individual or company. The affiliates will look for a product that they like, promote it, and earn a portion of the profit from each item that they'll sell. Affiliate marketing sounds hard, but it is actually quite easy. I know you've done this before. Yes, many apps that require you to refer a friend to earn money are affiliate marketing. Where can you apply for this? You can join affiliate network programs like Amazon Associates. You sell and promote products from Amazon for a commission. Other websites include ClickBank, PartnerStack, and CJ Affiliates. Affiliate marketing may pay off handsomely for both the advertiser and the affiliate marketer. The corporation benefits from low-cost advertising and its affiliates' creative marketing efforts, while you gain additional cash and incentives. Another good thing about this is that they don't require you to have a bachelor's degree. If you are a struggling teenager, this is for you. Up next, number 3. Testing websites. What? A testing website? I'm not even good at school. Now you want me to apply for this? Hey, it's not what you think. There's a website called User Testing. You can search it in your browsers, www.usertesting.com. All you have to do is make an account. Now, what does User Testing do? It's a customer experience testing platform that collects on-demand feedback about a product or service from its target market, allowing businesses to defend their brand and eradicate negative user experiences. Does user testing actually pay? Yes. The majority of tests pay $10 if you pass them. You can earn $10 on average per 20 minutes, which is the average length of each test. You can sometimes finish a test in 5 to 10 minutes and still get paid $10. There is no wrong answer. Just answer all the questions with honesty. Everyone can apply and make an account. Number 4. Retail arbitrage. The term retail arbitrage refers to the practice of purchasing an item below market value and then selling it for a premium cost, benefiting from the markup. It's a good method to supplement your income, but it's not for everyone, especially those who can't afford to lose money. Unlike most businesses, becoming a retail arbitrage seller has a lower entry barrier. You can get started with this type of business for as low as $100. So basically, what you will do is buy something from a store for a lower price and then sell it on eBay. This is also known as dropshipping. You can search for items from Amazon and then list them on eBay. Once customers order, you can order the item yourself from Amazon. This is made possible because some people think that eBay is way cheaper than Amazon, so they won't go searching for that same item there. One of the simplest methods to make money is to recognize opportunities. Number 5. Product flipping. You may look for items sold in Facebook or any other platform and sell it for a higher price. We've searched the internet for you, and here's a list of items that are best to flip: apparel, used books, household appliances, tech accessories, cameras, exercise equipment, furniture, designer bags, vintage jewelry, musical instruments, and so much more. Product flipping has the same process as retail arbitrage. You can search for products listed on eBay, and once someone orders from there, you can order it or collect it yourself from the store where you found the item. Number 6. Flipping phones. If you know how to repair phones, this is for you. All you have to do is look for stores who sell iPhones that are broken down. You can buy these items at a cheaper price, and you can repair the phone and sell it for a higher price. Do the maths. You can probably sell these items for as much as $100 or more per flip. The next method is probably one of the most popular earning methods because it's easier. Number 7. Answering surveys. If you are asking whether you can really make money doing surveys, yes you can. Answering paid surveys is an easy alternative to make money. This only requires you an internet connection and, of course, patience, because there are some sites who pay a little lower than others. But the surveys are simple and you can do it anywhere you are. The results of the surveys can help businesses improve their products, services, and marketing tactics. Brands are willing to pay to gain insight into the thoughts of their customers. Here are lists of the sites where you can earn money doing surveys. We have Swagbucks, where you can earn Swagbucks points and redeem for gift cards or cash. We also have Life Points, Survey Junkie, and Opinion Outpost. We also have Inbox Dollars, where you are asked to watch videos, play video games, read emails, and take surveys to get paid. Number 8. YouTube channel. If you are fond of making content, then this is for you. Oh well, I've tried it before and it wasn't easy, so I gave up. Well, making a YouTube channel is another money-making strategy where it requires patience and dedication. You have to make content almost every day, and you have to brainstorm for new ideas, and you have to dedicate a lot of time. Maybe you did not continue your YouTube channel because you realized that you can't make money right away, am I right? Once again, this method of earning needs time. You need to believe in your content, and you have to keep in mind that you have to work hard for it and stay consistent with uploads. If you are shy to show your face in your videos, you can make a playlist of songs in one video, or you can search for calming sounds and make it as your video. You can search for free videos at pixels.com, pixabay.com, and videvo.net. Now, making videos looks a bit hard, right? But if you love to edit videos and design graphics, this next one is for you. Number 9. Video editor or graphic designer. If you have this skill, then you are in for a big surprise. This skill pays a lot more money than you actually think. You can make money by editing thumbnails, posters, logos, and etc. As a graphic designer, you can also create visual concepts using computer software or by hand. Being a graphic designer is one of the most popular choices of students when it comes to selecting a course. You can still apply without a college degree as long as you have samples that you can present. Learning graphic design is not hard, but it requires creative thinking, time, and dedication. If you love to edit videos and are passionate and dedicated in making one, you can consider working as a video editor. There are different sites where you can freelance in video editing and graphic designing. There's Upwork, Fiverr, Gimp.io, Visugu, and Video Husky. In these sites, you can upload samples of previous works that you've done. What is also good about these sites is that you can mark your own price. The customers will browse your profile, watch samples of your work, and then decide if they will buy the package or not. These sites do not require you to have a degree, but it's a plus point if you have experience. Last but not the least is number 10. Start your t-shirt business. I don't have money to buy materials. I don't have enough money to invest in printing machines. It's quite expensive, you know. Yes, I know it's expensive, but you don't have to worry because you don't have to own one. You only need to use the website Printful and Etsy. Yes, 2 websites. You will make an account in Etsy, then make your t-shirt designs. People will order from Etsy, they'll choose the design that they want. After confirming the order, you can go to Printful and order the shirts. They will be responsible for the manufacturing. Other than shirts, you can sell other products that you made by hand, or if it needs manufacturers, you can scout for one. Have you chosen a method of earning money? Comment down below the method that you want to try first. You can search for other choices on the web, but we just made this easier for you. Once again, you don't have to hold on a bachelor's degree to start earning money from these methods. All you need is to have your passion, dedication, patience, and your time in order for this to become a success. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the notification bell so that you'll receive the latest updates whenever we post new content. See you again in the next video.